Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can achieve Ultra HD video quality in CapCut. So if you want crystal clear Ultra HD videos in CapCut, whether you edit videos for YouTube, TikTok or Instagram, this tutorial will show you exactly how you can get the videos in 4K quality and export it for professional and high resolution results. So first you can just tap on new project and open the video that you want to edit. Okay, let's say I want to add this videos here. Now you can just go straight to the adjust menu, swipe and click on adjust, and now you can follow my settings here. Click on the brightness and lower it to around -5 and increase the contrast and saturations to 10. Now click on the sharpness and increase it to around 35, and also increase the clarity the same amount as the sharpness, 35. Now you can just click on a check icon, go back and find effects, video effects, tap on the lens category and search for the 4K HDR effect to apply to your videos. This one's right here. Click on adjust and you can follow my settings in here. So for the glow and blur, lower it down all the way to 0, and for the sharpen, lower down and decrease it to 20, range 15, and the size also 15, soft light 0, lastly the filter also 0. Now this is the quality that you can get. Don't forget to adjust the length of the effect for all clips. So now this is the final result, and that's pretty much all. I hope by following the steps you can get the 4K quality that you want, so your videos will look sharper, smoother and more cinematic. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.